Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be my third video today. Unfortunately, my other box that I was supposed to get today got delayed, so all I got was my sleigh glam box. So the sleigh glam box is $24.99 or $39. I don't remember, but should get at least 5 to 7 items or so in your box. And yeah, so it comes in with a box purse. I've always wanted to try it out. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is what it comes in. I was so excited to get it. Ooh, uh-oh, as I drop my stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, here it is. Okay, so here is all of my stuff that I just got. I'm gonna do this little thing right here. It's called Dirty Little Secrets Cosmetics. It's DLS. I don't know what that is. So I've never heard of this. It has a lip, oh, no. So, it's a highlighter. Oh, that's cute. So, look at the, oh, it's nice and soft, and, like, it has, like, the soft, powdery color. So, let's see if I can, you guys can barely see it, like, just a small little sheen. I'll do the full-on try-on tomorrow, just so you guys know. Alright, so, oh, here's the card. Gives you a little description. That's nice. Okay. So the DLS highlighter is originally $14. So that's nice. What is this? Limited rose and glaze limited edition satin eyeliner. This is a dark brown. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, and it comes on so nicely. So that's actually going to be really cool to use. So this is what it comes up to. And it's like so soft, it's insane. And so the eyeliner is originally $18 for this. That's cool. Okay, so this is a lip liner. I don't use a lot of lip liners, but I really would like to try it out. But so Tyler, after I get done with this video, he's been wanting me to watch Ford versus Ferrari. So, and I'm like, I don't know about this. What? Like, so the lip liner is originally $9.50. It's like a rosy, not a rosy, but it's like a nude color. So that's what it looks like right next to the eyeliner. It seems a little dry, so I don't know. I'll try it out, see what it feels like. So yeah, I don't know about that. Ooh, Mana Kadar Beauty. So these are a lip library. Oh, I'm so excited. You know, I actually saw this and I was like, oh man, I really would like to have all of these. And lo and behold, I got all of them. So the entire value of these are $24. Man, these are pretty. I like this. I'm excited. So I'm going to swatch them all. So this one is All of Me. It's like a really pretty like pink color. Let's see if I can, I'm gonna do it this way. Ooh. Look at that. That's so pretty. I love that color. So excited to try this out. All right. This one is called Lucky. It looks exactly the same, but it doesn't. Yeah, it's actually a little bit lighter. I don't know if that's gonna catch. Oh, barely, but man, I'm so excited for these. This one is called All of You. I never had Manna before. So, Manna Kadar. So, here's another nude. I like these. I'm excited. They're like nice and like shiny and has like a matte finish almost. This one is called Shay. So, let's see. Ooh. I like these colors. These are amazing. This is called Rosette. It's not gonna focus. I'm sorry, guys. So it's a little bit, it's almost the same, but not really. It's more of a pinky color. I'm just so upset about the Lorella boxes. This one is called Sienna. And it's like a brown nudie color. I like these colors. These are amazing. Alright, this is more of a pink. This is Pretty Smart. So I'm excited. Wow, that's actually really pink. At least I feel like that's really pink. Right there. And this one is called Pinot Noir. It's like a red. And that's what it looks like. It's more red and berry looking. So, those are all the lips. Sorry. I didn't even think to smell them, but they smell like, no, just lip stuff. It just smells like lips. Alright, so this is the Slay Glam X Rasha B Cosmetics Romance Me Eyeshadow Palette, which is value of $27. That's awesome. Literally. Now, the packaging is actually really interesting. It has like the glitter and all that great stuff. So I just need to get it out of the packaging box. So here's a sleeve. And then, oh wow, has a little mirror. And here are all the pretty shades. All right. Now I'm gonna, ooh, they're like so soft. I'm so excited to like seriously try these out. Alright, I can't read the names, so I'm just gonna go with it. Here's the first shade, which you're not gonna be able to really see. So that's okay. Here is the, it's like a white silver shade, which you can still barely see, but it's there. Here's my next shade. Well, let me just, Alright, so here are the first 5 shades. The top one right here is like a tan matte, which is actually close to my shade. Here's a white silver right here. This one I think is called Cuddle, the bronzy shimmery shade. The purple is called Affection. And the last one is called Soft Kisses, which you can barely even see as well. It's all pink. So let's try the next row, which I'm so excited. All right, my hand is like so itchy. All right. Oh, wow. There's like some really fun shades that you're gonna be able to play with. All right, so here is the next shade, which you're gonna barely even see as well. It's a pink shimmer. It's right here. All right, and here is the silver. Oh, that has some pigmentation right there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Adventure, which is this burnt brown shade. Looks really good. Here is a bright purple, which is a matte. And then the last shade of that row is a pink shimmer. All right, one more row to go. All right. I think these are like glossies because they look wet still. Yeah. All right, so I'm doing the last row now. I'm so excited. I'll probably do the try on tomorrow, but all right, so here is the next row, the last row, which is, wow, look at that color. That's called Love. Oh my word. That is, all right. I don't know what the next word is, but there's that color. It's a shimmer. Here's a nice brown matte. It's really pretty. I don't know what this one is, but it is a shimmer. I love that. And then here is a really pretty glitter. It's like a pink, has like pink maroon colors, so that's gonna be really fun to play with. I'm excited. Yeah, this palette is worth $27. So that's gonna be, holy cow. So this eyeliner, that pencil eyeliner, literally will stick. It's a nice eyeliner. Making a mess of myself. So, I'm really excited to try this out. I mean, this looks like a really good palette, so I'm gonna definitely have some nice playing with this palette. So it should be fun. This palette, I believe it's between $24.99 to like $39.99. I don't remember. I'll look it up for you guys, and if you guys are ever interested in checking that out and trying it, if you guys are only interested in like makeup products. Oh, does it not stick anymore? Okay, so this is not cool. Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, okay, this is not cool. So, yeah, if you guys ever want to check this out, I will give you guys a link. So if you would like to try to get some money off, you can get some really great beauty products. Don't forget, tomorrow is going to be the last day for the giveaway. I'm so excited. And then also I still have my 50 giveaway, or 50 subscriber giveaway. So if anyone is interested in any of that, I'm still working out on the bugs for that. So if anyone is interested, let's get to 50 subscribers. All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.